Hi, my name's Uma Duclay, and I'm part of the group that made the Devs Do Good web app. Devs Do Good is an organization that focuses on connecting students interested in technology with nonprofits who don't have the resources or funding to complete a technical project. To accomplish our mission, we host hackathons where groups of students work together to build a website for nonprofits in our community. We also wanted the site to be a resource for the nonprofits Devs Do Good serves, so we created the ability for nonprofits to create an account and make forms that can easily be embedded into their websites. Finally, nonprofits can manage their website content, analytics, and deployment through our dashboard.
Hi, I'm Noah Getters, and I'm going to talk a little about process we used while developing the app. First, we used a Trello board to plan every feature, which allowed us to monitor our progress and make note of all things that were left to do. We also used Figma to create mockups for the app so we could create a great user experience before writing any code.
Hi, I'm Connor Fogarty, and I'm going to demo some of the features that we developed. First, we'll create a user for one of our organization partners, the Teddy Project, whose mission is to improve the conditions for the young women of Kenya. After creating our user, we'll navigate to the dashboard where we can view forms, form filters, and submissions. Let's create a form titled Contact Us. We'll add our email so we get notified when someone adds a submission, and let's create a required name, email, and message field. We'll leave active checked so users can submit our form. After a form is created, we can navigate to the Filters section to sanitize our submissions. We'll title the filter Contact Us and make it censor inappropriate input. We can optionally filter profane words, but for now, we'll add the word infrastructure. If we go back to our Forms page, we can modify our Contact Us form fields to allow more text in each field and filter our message field using the Contact Us filter we just created. Now, let's embed this form into our organization's website. It's as easy as copying the unique form ID and adding it to the organization's website's content management system. On the Contact Us page of the website, we paste our ID into the form ID field and we're ready to receive submissions. Let's add a negative submission with the text, "I hate setting up infrastructure for projects." Then let's add a positive submission with the text, "I love the Congressional App Challenge." Our cloud functions will sanitize our input and determine the sentiment of our submission. Back at our dashboard, our submissions will show up in real time with asterisks around our filtered word. We can also filter out our negative review by clicking the checkbox. In addition to displaying on the dashboard, we're emailed copies of each submission. Let's exit the dashboard, sign out, and log in with our Devs Do Good account. This account has been managed by our site admins and contains buttons for the analytics page, content management system, and deployment dashboards on Vercel, who sponsors our deployments for each organization's website.
Hey, I'm Abhishan, and I'll talk a little bit about the resources and tools we use to create our project. We built the front end of our app in TypeScript with React and Next.js and hosted it on Vercel. Our site pulls content from Contentful, a headless CMS, and our dashboard uses Firebase authentication to manage users. Filters, forms, and form submissions are handled by Cloud Firebase functions written in TypeScript, which communicates with information stored in the Firebase Firestore database. We use unit tests for all our features and run these tests on every commit using GitHub Actions.